Good day everyone. My name is Randy Mandal Jr. from Autotex from BTBT Autotech 2A. Good day everyone. Today I will be reporting on the importance and process of checking motor vehicles and their documents. This activity ensures safety, compliance and with the law and proper maintenance of vehicles used on the road. Check motor vehicles and documents. What is the purpose of the checking motor vehicles and document safety? Number one is safety. To make safety is to make sure the vehicle is roadworthy and free from defects that may cause accidents. Ito daw po yung upang matiyak na ang sasakyan ay nasa maayos na kondisyon at hindi magdudulot ng aksidente. The number two is legal compliance. Legal compliance is to ensure that driver and the vehicle follow traffic laws and regulations. Ito daw po yung upang matiyak na yung driver at yung sasakyan ay sumusunod sa mga batas trapiko. And the number three is environmental protection. Environmental protection is to confirm that the vehicle meets emission standards. Ito yung upang matiyak na pumasaba yung sasakyan sa mga emission standard. And the number four is accountability. Accountability is to identify the rightful owner and confirm the vehicle is not stolen. Ito yung makikilala yung totoong may-ari at saka masisigurong hindi nakaw yung sasakyan. Next tayo, the documents to be checked. Ano daw po, ito daw po yung mga dapat na dokumento na chine-check o sinusuri ng mga nasa nagpapatupad ng batas. Andito yung number one is the driver's license. Driver's license is to confirm that the driver is authorized and qualified. Ito yung katunayan na yung driver ay otorisado na at may kakayahan gumamit ng mga sasakyan. And number two is Certificate of Registration o CR. Certificate of Registration is proves legal ownership and of the vehicle. Ito daw po yung patunay na legal na pagmamay-ari ng sasakyan. And the number three is official receipt o OR of registration. Shows that the vehicle is registered and fees are paid. Ito yung katunayan na nakarehistro yung sasakyan at saka bayad na yung kakulangan. And number four is insurance documents. Provides financial protection in case of accidents. Ito yung protection na financial na kapag may na-aksidente. Kagaya ng insurance na binabayaran ng mga bumibili ng mga sasakyan. And the number five is emission test certificate. Ensures compliance with environmental standards. Ito yung katunayan na pagsunod sa pamantayan ng kapaligiran. Next. Physical check of motor vehicles. The physical check of motor vehicles is the number one is exterior check. Body condition, lights, mirror, or windshield tires. Ito yung mga chine-check ng physical na pagsusuri sa mga sasakyan. Ito yung mga chine-check sa panlabas na pagsusuri. Kagaya ng kondisyon ng katawan ng sasakyan, ilaw, salamin, windshield at iba pang mga gulong. And number two is interior check. Ito yung panloob na pagsusuri. Kagaya ng mga seatbelts, dashboards indicators, wipers, at saka busina. And the number three is engine bay check. Engine bay check, ito yung antas ng langis, coolant, baterya, belts, at saka hose. And the number 4 is the under chassis check. Ito yung preno, suspension, at mga tagas ng mga sasakyan. And the number 5 is operational check. Ito yung pagsubok ng preno, tsaka mga manibela, ilaw, tsaka mga signal light para ma-check yung kung maayos pa ba yung kondisyon niya. What is the importance in daily life? Andito yung nakakaiwas sa aksidente, pagkakasira ng mga sasakyan, pagpapaunlad, pagpapaunlad ng disiplina sa mga driver, nagpapalakas ng ligtas at maayos na paggamit ng kalsada, nagpa, nagpaprotekto ng buhay ng ari-arian at kalikasan. Conclusion. Checking motor vehicles and documents is not just a routine task, but a responsibility of every driver and vehicle owner that through proper inspection and compliance with the legal requirements we ensure safety, legality, and reliability on the road. Ito yun sa buong kabuuan na ang pagsusuri ng mga sasakyan at dokumento ay hindi lang simpleng gawain kundi isang pananagutan ng bawat driver at may-ari ng sasakyan. Sa pamamagitan ng tamang inspection at pagsunod sa mga illegal na restrict rekisito, natitiyak natin na ang kaligtasan, legalidad at pagiging maaasahan sa kalsada. Maraming salamat po.